Working from home tips. Get organized here. Hello, my name is Bill Morrow, and if you've come to this site, you're probably looking for something related to exactly that. Working from home, how to set up a business online, affiliate marketing, any of these things. Well, you have come to the right place. I've been marketing online now for about 9 years, and in that time I've come across some rubbish, some real doozies, things you would never try a second time, and now I've come across an excellent program which has been, right from the very start, extremely good. This one is called the Invincible Marketer, and the whole purpose of the program is to teach you completely how to set up and how to get your business started. Now, all the tips and everything you need in setting up a business is inside this program, right from the very beginning. It teaches you how to do the individual things, how to set up every section of the course, and so you end up with a working business. And in this day and age, that's the perfect situation. Now you can set the business up on any subject you wish. You're allowed to choose the subject you want from whatever you have in mind. So as long as you have some information about the subject, then you can set up the whole thing. This is an excellent program. It's video, so you watch a video, then you go to the next stage, which is you then perform what's requested in the video. You set a section up. If you get it wrong, you simply go back and check on that video. Keep at it until you've completed that video course. You've had the request. You finish it. Then you move on to the next video. And by the time you have finished the course, all of the videos, what have you got? You've got a working business. Just the thing that you were setting up for, just the thing you wanted, a complete business. So all the tips, all the information, everything is contained inside this course. And this gets you from start to finish and with a perfect working business. All you got to do now is to get more information about this business is let me send you more information. All you got to do is click on the link below, and then I will get your email and send it to you, and then you can correspond with me. So between us we can have a two-way talk. Any problems? Let me know. Remember, I've done the course, I've got my business running, and this is exactly what you want. So tips, tricks, everything, all the information you need is there to set up a full working online business. Affiliate marketing, get rich quick, anything you want, weightlifting, keep fit, dieting, the subject is entirely yours. So click on the link below in the description box, get on the list, and I will send you further details so that you can really see how good this system is, and I can fully guarantee it. And I will stay with you, corresponding with you, until you have succeeded, until you get your business set up. Okay, talk later. Bye for now.